Frankie and Molly. Molly. Molly, come here. Give Frankie love. Rocky, you love your Halloween costume? Rocky. Rocky. You like your Halloween costume? You love it? No? You don't like it? Is it weird? No? Molly, come here. See yours. Come here, sit. Molly, sit. Sit down. She doesn't listen very good. Sit. Molly. Molly, sit. Molly. Molly, sit. Sit down. Why doesn't she listen? Why doesn't she listen like you? There we go. Let me see. Oh. Let me see you. You're so cute. Yes, you got a Halloween costume? Good job.